we will guide you through how to make ripple fade transition CapCut. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Windows Start menu on your computer and search for CapCut using the Windows search bar. Launch the CapCut application from the search results and wait for the editor to finish loading before continuing. Start a new project or open one you have already created, depending on whether you are beginning a fresh edit or continuing an existing project. Import the video clips you want to edit if they have not already been added to the project. Arrange the clips in sequence on the timeline so they play in the correct order and meet at the points where you want the transition to appear. Click the Transitions tab from the top toolbar to access the transition library. Wait for the transition library to finish loading completely before searching for the desired effect. Type ripple fade into the transition search box and allow the matching transition effects to appear. Browse the available ripple fade transition effects and compare the different options until you find one that best matches your editing style. Select the ripple fade transition you want to use by clicking it to preview the animation. If you are satisfied with the preview, drag the transition onto the cut between the two video clips on the timeline. Adjust the transition duration to control how long the effect plays. A shorter duration creates a quicker transition, while a longer duration produces a smoother and more gradual ripple fade between the clips. Preview the transition in the playback window and carefully watch how the first clip blends into the second. Fine-tune the duration until the ripple fade effect looks smooth and fits the pacing of your video. Watch the complete project from beginning to end to ensure every ripple fade transition plays correctly and enhances the final edit.